What's up everybody, so let's start by the amazing advantages of Adobe Illustrator. This is definitely the best application for creating logos, branding designs, icons and infographics, and of course illustrations, typography, package design and so much more. And of course we're getting the advantages of working with vector designs, which is allowing us to export our designs in any scale or any resolution we would like, while still maintaining crystal clear and crisp quality of our artwork and our designs. And of course, needless to mention that it has the most powerful tools for drawing and illustrations, along with its very unique artistic effects and techniques that we can be applying to our designs. So you can think of that application as a very basic and mandatory tool for any professional designer or illustrator, or even maybe anyone who's interested into translating his artistic ideas and imaginations into an amazing artwork and masterpiece.